Hello and welcome to another video. Today we're going to be learning how to open an order or a table in the Ovvi POS system. So first, once you're clocked in into the system for your shift, you're going to go into the booth or the table that you're opening up. For this example, I'm selecting a booth. The next thing that the system is going to allow you to do is set the number of guests that are sitting at that booth or table. For this example, I'm going to put 3. Press OK, and then it's going to take you to the menu that you can program in all the ways you want. For this example, my client would like a cup of coffee, an iced tea, and the third guest wants an orange juice, and potentially some chef appetizers. So I'm gonna get a jalapeno popper ready to go, and once I'm ready to send this to the kitchen, you would press this button that says send to the kitchen, or if you just want to hold the order because maybe the client is still thinking about a second appetizer, or maybe they're already thinking about their main entree, you can actually hold the order and wait to send it to the kitchen, so that way you're not sending an incomplete order to the kitchen. For this example, I'm gonna press send to the kitchen, and the order has gone to the cooks, and your guests will have their food prepared as soon as possible. And that's it. Very simple to use. The Ovvi POS system allows you to create your own layout of your restaurant, however many bar stools you have, or maybe how many tables you have. We can customize it however you would like this to be programmed. And the main thing is that the system is so simple that it takes between 10 to 20 minutes to train a new employee on how to use it. If you would like to watch more videos like this, make sure to leave us a comment below with the next video you would like to see, like this video, and subscribe to our channel to receive updates of any future videos we do about Ovvi POS. Thanks for watching.